found out that I'm a chump and the wool pulled over my eyes.
Now, I wonder who woke you up.
But I'm gonna know somewhere for. Yes, sir, you gonna tell me somewhere. You stay out night till 3 and 4 and come home leaping drunk.
That's my business.
Then come to bed and turn your back. Sue, you know that's the bunk. Yes, sir. Now listen here, Sister Kate. Now tell Papa who keeping you out so late.
Say, listen, Butter.
Let me hear it.
I don't mean to cut you short, and I ain't putting on air.
What's wrong with you?
But I've got my 2 hands full, minding my own affairs. Now I wouldn't answer your question if I know I had to die. So don't keep asking, 'cause I don't want to lie. You can't make me tell you so, it's no use to try. Furthermore, ain't none of your doggone business.
Oh, yes, that's my business. Let me straighten you out. Now, look here, woman. You must have lost your mind. You must got religion and you don't mind dying. When you talk language I don't understand, you drumming up business for the graveyard man. I'm as jealous of you, woman, as a man can be. Sue, you know you done put that thing on me. You getting colder towards me every day. Now tell me what making you act that way.
I got tired of staying home, just sitting there watching the clock.
Now what's wrong with that?
Sometimes 'twas after 4 g.m. when you put your key in my lock. When I was a good woman, you done everything you could to make me think I was nothing but an old chunk of wood. Now I'm doing what I please. You can tell the neighborhood what I do.